Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be some bead mail. I got bead mail from Miss Hillary. She is the owner and creator and artisan at Soleil Beads, and she is a company out of the United States. So she is a local girl. I know some of my bead companies are like in Slovakia and overseas. They're like overseas. No, Miss Hillary is right here in the United States. So it comes in that really pretty colored bubble wrap, and inside was a really pretty pink box. So let's see what she has for me in the pink box. Now, one of these beads I paid for, and one of the beads was gifted to me. I don't remember which one was which. I just remember one was gifted to me and one I paid for. So both came in her little traditional packaging with her company logo and that beautiful sun. And she had my name wrote on them, so she'll know which ones was mine. And I wanted to pick some colors I didn't have. Here's my little wood stick. So this first one has a lot of teal and kind of this olivey, avocado-ish green and gold. Skip my face. Oh, there's a little hint of purple, it looks like. And some gold glitter. That gold glitter is what got me. There's a little bit of yellow. I love when she throws just hints of other colors. That little section right there is gorgeous. The whole bead is gorgeous. There's some more purple. This is a big chunky bead, as you can see. Nice big chunk. It's got the silver core. But I love the glitter. Let me see if I can get like right in here. Right there. That's going to be gorgeous out in the sunlight. I cannot wait to take pictures of these out in the sunlight tomorrow. So there's the first bead I got. We may play with a few other beads because this is going to be a short video. Again, in the same little wrapper. And this one, again, the colors were colors I didn't have. And I thought this bead would go good with that bead because it has the gold. Has some white, it has some teal, and it has some orange. And I thought both of these would be good going into this time of year. Let's put them together and see how they look. Yeah, those will go good together. And there's that little pop of orangey red. Awesome. All right, let me grab some other beads, guys. Grabbing my Soleil Beads board. If you guys have not seen this, it is in one of my unboxings, and I can leave that linked up above. I don't want to drop my beads. So, here, we'll put my ring on before I lose it. There's a ring in here. Actually, there's two rings in here. We'll put them both on before I lose them. And there's some earrings in here. There's silicone spacers. But here's the bracelet that I had on the other day, which these are all Soleil beads on Morris bangle. And let's take these off and let's reconfigure something new using what we have. I need to do a video on these beads right here. I may do it next because I had it and apparently I deleted it. So I'll have to refilm that. But I want to do like something with this bead kind of in the center. This big chunky one. I don't think it's got, oh yeah, it went. I was going to say, I don't think it's going to go on my bracelet, but it went. Her bigger beads will not go on a bracelet like this. They just will not thread around it. So let me pick something that might kind of match too. This one's kind of different. Okay, so here's the two beads I just got. And here's one of her other beads, and it's got some green in there and some other colors in the gold. So I thought that would go really pretty. And there's what she looks like. Ooh, look at the glow on that center one. Oh my gosh. And this is the profile. They are very chunky. They are going to stand up. So you may need to size up on your bracelet if, you know, that's because they take up some room. They're really chunky. But look how pretty. I might just leave it like that. I think I'm going to leave it like that. That's how I'm going to wear it. So pretty. But yeah, these are my new Soleil beads. If you want to see, this bead is too big to fit down in the little thing because some of her beads are like huge. Let me move this one over, and my little thingy's almost full. See this one? It's too big to fit in there. But all of these are Soleil beads. There is a Pandora bead, a Om Angel, Soleil, 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 Soleil. This one's a Soleil bead. And then these three are ones I'll do another video on. They are from a different maker, and she is out of Belgium. And her beads are really pretty too, but they're definitely more petite, as you can see. But yeah, there's all my Soleil beads so far. I think there might be a few on bracelets. I don't know, because it seems like I got a few missing. But yeah, I will have Miss Hillary's, all of her information listed down below, her Facebook page and her website. So I'll have all that down below. And her flash sales are on her Facebook group. Once you find her Facebook page, though, that will link you to her Facebook group. And it's all Soleil Beads. Soleil Beads Facebook page, Soleil Beads group, and there is a Soleil Beads gallery page. I think it's a page as well on Facebook. And she has Instagram. So I'll leave as much linked down below. I always have her IG, I think, linked down below. One of them, she's linked down below in all my videos. But that's it, guys. That is it for this one. I can't wait to wear that. I will have pictures out in direct sunlight at the end of this, so stay tuned. Don't leave yet. Wait for those photos. I will have it on. I will have it in some real pretty pictures out in direct sunlight so you can see the depth and the color and the glitter in these beads. All right, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Be sure you go check out Soleil Beads, and I'll see you guys on the next one.